Hello everyone, my name is Prateek Mishra from Techpile Technology Lucknow. Techpile offers training services in which hundreds and thousands of students indulge in industrial hands-on learning experience. We perform apprenticeship training program for students of BTech, Diploma, BCA and MCA who are currently looking to upgrade their technical skills or enhance their capability to get their placements. जब हम placements की बात कर रहे हैं, Techpile has one of the best placement records over the last several years, जहां पर students indulge करते हैं and participate करते हैं in their apprenticeship-based hands-on learning. This program covers many high-demand technologies including .NET, PHP, and MERN stack for CS and IT engineering students. With this year, Techpile is also going to have an option for electronics engineering students to perform their apprenticeship training program in electronics engineering on the technology that is embedded systems with Internet of Things. The program has everything for a diploma or a BTech degree holder to start from the very basics of electronics engineering to getting towards the advanced realm of IoT and applied robotics. Remember, this is the job-oriented program to equip trainees with the relevant knowledge of the industry and get them placed in a respective electronics engineering job profile. This program is starting soon and the registrations are currently open. We have very limited seats available. For any queries, you can message us on this video by commenting us, and you can also call us on the numbers given below. Thank you so much for watching.